Detective Pikachu unboxing. Let's crack open. Got the Pikachu on the magnifying glass. Pretty cool. Put it next to my. And put it right here. I got. Here's the promo cards. Pretty cool. Detective Pikachu promo. Psyduck. Bulbasaur. And Snubble. I think GameStop gave this cover away. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. Put it over here. Put it right here. I'm gonna open the Detective Pikachu packs first. Got 3. It has 4 additional game cards. So what do we got? Ooh, a hollow Licky Tongue. Pretty cool. Oh, I got other Psyduck. Panic. Oh, Morlow. Hollow. Oh, I got Diddle. Nice. That's pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Oh, there's one more. Oh, and the code. Not bad. I always wanted these Detective Pikachu cards. That's another one. Ooh, I got Bulbasaur. Nice. Another Licky Tongue. Ooh, a different Snowball. He looks mad. I like it. And a Slay King. Ooh, nice. I like how he lays. And the code itself. Next pack. Oh, we got a Magic Heart. Hold still. Oh, a Charmander. Cute. Another Marlowe. And Detective Pikachu. Ooh, another one. Well, without the promo on it. Nice, nice, nice. And the code. Pretty happy about the Detective Pikachu cards. It's the first box opening of this one, so I expect to buy another one in a couple weeks, so I get different cards. So I'm gonna start with the Sun and Moon. Okay. We got roulette to start the pack. Let's do the card. Online code. Got roulette start. Torkoal. Zubat. Grubbin. Growlithe. Reverse Hollow of a Trumbeak. Ultra Ball. Boldore. Timer Ball. Palossand. Metal type energy. And that's it. We got 2 Palosands. One from the Sun and Moon and Sun and War theme pack. I got the Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Hopefully I get something decent. Oh, Palossand is the rare. Let's see what I get. Craballer start. Here's the code. We got Craballer, Dynamo, Tangela, Routes, Reinhorn. Ooh, look at this Pikachu. Reverse Hollow. I dig it. And a rare Kingdra Hollow. This is the rare. Cool. Finally got Kingdra. Grass type energy. Simisear. Cool. Mount Lanakila. Ooh, the stadium. And Noctowl. Pretty good opening. Solid. Let's see what I got. Kingdra, Pikachu, Reverse Hollow, and a Trumbeak. Detect the Pikachu, Marlowe, Charmander. I like the Charmander. It's pretty nice. Magikarp, Slaking, Snubbull, Lickitung. I have 2 of these. Bulbasaur, Ditto, another one Marlowe, Psyduck, different version, Lickitung, Snubbull, Bulbasaur, Psyduck, and Detective Pikachu. The promo.